Welcome to today's trade recap. 16th of Today is the 16th of January, Friday 2026, and today I got break even. So coming into the morning, I was bearish to my conditions. I was waiting for my conditions to respect, and they did. I had a 15-minute condition here, and I was waiting to see if we inverse this, then I want to see draws on liquidity higher to get taken. But if not, then I was bearish to all this sell side down here. We had low resistance liquidity here, major liquidity, 4 hour unfilled here. Yeah, 4 hour unfilled, and yeah. So I was bearish from my condition. So there was a wasn't there an SMT or something? Um, no, there was like yeah, there was here. Okay, so there was already an SMT from pre-market, and I was really liking this. So if this condition was going to hold, then I knew I was definitely bearish. And the I was just waiting, and then we opened up a 1 minute straight pre-market. From a pre-market 1 minute, I waited for this inversion. I got it, and I took this short. If we were going to deliver, I wanted us to deliver past this 5 minute low, and I wanted us to sell off like quickly, and we did. So I went break even. I had TP. I was gonna have like a really big trade today because I lost like 1k yesterday. So I wanted to have like a really long trade and make back from what I lost. So I would have had a really long trade. So, but it was quite quick actually. It was in 30 minutes, 38 minutes. It would all hit. So I took that, and then as soon as I went break even, I scaled because I like this delivery. I was like, okay, I'm really liking this. Bang, next 1 minute candle took me out. And then I was still bearish. I wasn't, because it didn't inverse. I was just looking for maybe a re-entry. And a 5 minute then opened. I wanted us to trade back into this gap and then deliver. But then we opened up another 5 minute and we did respect it, but I wasn't trying to trade this one because I felt like if I did take it and I lost, I'd be mad at myself because there's this one here. And then I also didn't take it because the 15 minute was just opening up as well. But the trade I would have taken if this was like a different time, I saw the SMT on the 1 minute. Let me go. There was a SMT. There was like a 10:07 SMT. Yeah, here a bullish SMT or bearish SMT, sorry. And I really liked it. I was really inclined to take this, and there was a 30-second fair value gap that opened, and the entry would have been like here, and then I would have gone break even at the unfilled 3, and then I would have held to these TPs like down below, like to the sell side, or probably just to this sell side here. I would have had TP here and just held it until 1R. In this case, it was, but I faded it as I felt like from previous like market and previous trading sessions that I didn't get the best. I don't have the best win rate when I take the first gap and I take the inversion off it. And I was also going through a bit of a mixed emotion because I quite liked longs as well, because ES was placing higher, but I was only inclined to take a long to this unfilled, and then we left equal highs here, and then we started to manipulate. The 4 hour opened up, manipulated, left these up here, and I was like, I'm not trying to take a long anymore. I'm going to fade that, and then we respected the 5 minute, and that was it. So I was just overall bearish today, and didn't get a re-entry, and then I just literally sat out after this break even. I just sat out, watched, and I was hoping for. I was literally, I don't know. I was so close to taking this 30-second, but I had a change of mind and I didn't take it, and I'm okay with that. I'm not really that bothered. I'll just trade next week and see where it brings me. So yeah, that's today's trade recap, going over today's price action, and yeah, thanks for watching.